India has issued a notice to air mission and closed its airspace for Pakistan-registered operated or leased aircraft airlines and military flights, according to source. Government is also considering ban on Pakistani ships at Indian ports. The United States allocates additional $3.1 billion to speed up production of F-15EX Eagle II multirole fighter aircraft, reflecting strategic effort to maintain operational readiness. With its advanced capabilities and long-range versatility, the F-15EX serve as bridging gap between today's operational needs and future air dominance. South Korean defense firm Hanwha Aerospace has released new promotional footage showcasing its flagship next-gen self-propelled howitzer K9A3. It features multiple advanced capabilities including both manned and unmanned operation. The French Navy conducted an unprecedented experiment by remotely operating jet ski carrying offensive explosive charge, an approach that would extend operational reach of naval forces, multiplying attack vectors and complicating enemies' situational awareness.